Hi, this is IIM from Mockat. Today, we are sharing the news for 22nd February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and personal interview to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The action news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. To get more information about the interview process, follow our Telegram channel where you can get access to WAT and personal interview content from 99.9 plus percentailers. The link to the Telegram group is in the description. Today's 5 news headlines are: Space news are rising tensions between Moscow and Washington. India needs to usher in Green Revolution 2.0 to promote less water intensive crops. India on track to become $10 trillion economy, set for third largest slot. India space sector overcoming challenges, expanding horizons with FDI liberalization. Elon Musk X claims center orders to withhold accounts. Space news are rising tensions between Moscow and Washington. Here's what you need to know. A fresh spat between Washington and Moscow has raised alarm about the potential risk of a space-based nuclear satellite attack, which could cause chaos to critical communication systems on Earth. Analysts say that the deployment of such a weapon could cause indiscriminate damage, reaping havoc on the systems on which people rely for everyday services such as payments, GPS navigation, and even the weather. No such weapon has been used in warfare so far, though China, Russia, and the US have all used them to shoot down their own satellites in demonstrations of military might. The deployment of a space-based nuclear weapon would mark a major advancement of Russia's military capabilities and a serious escalation of geopolitical tensions. President Joe Biden said that it posed no urgent nuclear threat to US people and said that he hoped Russia would not deploy it. India needs to usher in Green Revolution 2.0 to promote less water-intensive crops. The Global Trade Research Initiative emphasizes the critical need for India to adopt measures promoting less water-intensive crops due to increasing water scarcity concerns. It also suggested ending free electricity for agriculture and introducing water pricing mechanisms that can discourage overuse and encourage conservation, besides educating farmers about the long-term consequences of unsustainable practices. GTRI advocates for the implementation of Green Revolution 2.0, a shift towards cultivating crops that require less water, such as millets, pulses, oilseeds, and fodder crops. They stress the importance of providing farmers with the necessary support and infrastructure to transition to less water-intensive farming practices successfully. To facilitate the transition, GTRA suggests integrating policies promoting water-efficient agriculture with technological advancements to enhance crop productivity while conserving water resources. The next news for the day: India on track to become $10 trillion economy, set for third largest slot. According to the World Economic Forum President Jorge Brende, India is on track to become a $10 trillion economy in the coming years to grab the world's third largest economy spot. India has gone through important reforms and it is well placed in related to the two largest economies, the US and China. He has also lauded India's digital competitiveness and said digital trade is growing much faster than traditional goods in the world today. India's major priority so far has been to secure economic growth, eradicate poverty, and ensure that India is flourishing when it comes to prosperity. Brende said India is an important country when it comes to digitalization, with 1.4 billion people with digital IDs linked to bank accounts and effective payment services. India's space sector overcoming challenges, expanding horizons with FDI liberalization. India's space industry, though compared to global leaders such as the US, Russia, and China, has made significant strides in cutting-edge technologies, as evidenced by successful missions like Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, and Exposat. The absence of a substantial domestic investor pool interested in space ventures, which are inherently slow to yield returns, has hindered growth. The only way out was to look at foreign direct investment policy. To allow 100% FDI across all domains in the space sector gives much needed regulatory clarity for foreign investments. The policy has come at the right time when investments in the space sector are rising exponentially and startups are scaling to start commercial services. Space education and space tourism are two other critical areas which will flourish if there are enough funds being channelized. The final news for the day is Elon Musk's X claims center orders to withhold accounts. The Indian government has issued executive orders requiring X to act on specific accounts and posts subject to potential penalties, including significant fines and imprisonment. The Global Government Affairs team of X, formerly Twitter, said they are unable to publish the center's executive orders due to legal restrictions. The Elon Musk-led organization has said, stressing that it disagrees with these actions and that the post should not be withheld on grounds of freedom of expression. In compliance with the orders, the team will withhold these accounts and posts in India alone. However, the team disagrees with these actions and maintains that freedom of expression should extend to these posts. So these are the 5 news for today. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.